Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about red heart emoji. What is the meaning of red heart emoji if a girl sent or if a guy sent to girls? So in this video we will talk about each and everything. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all I want to tell you like this red hearted emoji means love, care and strong feelings. Okay, so people use it to like show romantic and friendship or just kindness. Okay, it is very common, you can say, like used in text and social media platforms. So if we talk about like when a girl send this heart emoji, it usually means like you care about you deeply, she care about you deeply and she wanted to show love and support. Okay, and if we talk about like when a guy send this red you can say like red heart emoji, it means he is being romantic and sweet, or he has strong feelings for you and he is also want to support you. Okay, so basically this is a full of you can say like emotional feelings emoji. So if anyone getting this emoji from any girl, it means she really likes you. Okay, so this is the meaning of this emoji, and if this video will helpful, please hit a like button my dear friends, and thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.